Brian Beats. Sekino chamkulira n'omutima gwekanze nalindowooza nti omulyamu nimba naye ondaze nti kyoliko kituufu nnyo.
Dear Marion, akaweta kano nkakuteekako ng'akabonero akalaga nti nkusibidde awo paka ku lunaku mulindwa lwe twalagaanye lwe nalagaana mbazadde lwe tugenda okulabikako mu maaso g'abakabona ng'ate nkusiba kadaali nkwawule ku bakyala bonna abangi mu nsi eno. Nkwawule nti oli wange oliba wange lubeerera.
Lunaku lwe luno ekyamagero kyo kikonkona olwange lwe luno nobody say no. DJ Cartwheels, you are my lunaku lwe luno.
Hi, my favorite human. Thank you for coming. Thank you for fulfilling your promise. Thank you for making my family proud. I'm the happiest woman now, knowing that I'm loved by the best. Thank you so much for coming, and everyone that escorted my husband to be my favorite human, my personal person. Thank you so much. Thank you for braving the road. Thank you for honoring our invite, and thank you for loving us so much. And we love you too so much. And to my family, thank you for making this happen. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for grooming me. And thank you for being here till late. I know it is late, but thank you for bearing with us and keeping here till now. May the good Lord bless you so much.
Nobody say no. Shut up, bada. Lunaku lwe luno.